Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to cook a delicious and healthy boiled chicken recipe from Northeast India. The recipe is simple and I am sure you'll want to have it again and again. The ingredients required for this dish are chicken, green leafy vegetable. I have taken spinach, salt, ginger, green chilies, onions, sesame oil and onion stalks. Now let's start cooking.
Heat 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in a deep pan. Once hot, add the onions, green chilies, ginger, onion stalks, chicken pieces and salt. Stir them well and cook it for a couple of minutes on a high flame. Now add 1 liter of water. Stir it well. Cover and cook it for 30 minutes on a medium flame. Occasionally stir in between. Open and check if the meat is cooked. Stir the dish and then add the greens. Cook it for another 10 minutes. Once the broth has achieved the consistency of your choice, it's ready to be served.
Here is the dish. The aroma from the dish is heavenly and the chicken tender. I love slurping on this healthy broth which has beautifully absorbed all the flavors from the other ingredients. I hope you love watching this recipe video and please do give it a thumbs up.